Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some of the places, some of the countries and places I have traveled to. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Bangkok, which is the capital city of Thailand. I will show you some photos of Bangkok. Okay, some photos I took when I was in Bangkok. So the first picture you see on the screen is of the city. So it's nighttime, so it's dark and there's lots of cars. There's lots of traffic. Okay, so if we zoom in, let's zoom in on the photo. So when we zoom in on the photo, we can see there's cars, lots of cars. There's also motorbikes. So there's one motorbike, two motorbikes, 3, 4, 5 motorbikes, 6 motorbikes. There's lots of motorbikes and lots of cars. And these here, so the yellow and green cars are taxis. Okay, so the yellow and green cars are taxis. And then we can see people walking along the pavement, and we can see some clothes. So there's a market stall selling clothes and also food. Okay, so that's the first picture, and in the background we can see McDonald's. So McDonald's is everywhere around the world. Okay, in the next photo, so I will show you the next photo. So this is very good, very tasty, I like. This is called mango sticky rice. So you have mango, you have sticky rice, and this is coconut. So you can pour the coconut onto the mango or the sticky rice and mix it and eat. Very good. I recommend trying mango sticky rice. The next photo. So this is a very beautiful temple called Wat Arun. Wat Arun? Wat Arun? So I'm sure the Thai people seeing this video will be able to let you know the correct way to say Wat Arun. I believe Wat means temple in Thai. So this is Wat Arun, and then you have steps. So there's lots of steps where you can walk up the steps and climb the temple, and there's lots of detail in the temple. As we can see here, there's lots and lots of interesting detail in the temple. Okay, so this next picture is the swimming pool. So at the swimming pool, you can swim, and you are also covered by trees. There's lots of trees. And then if I zoom in, you can also sit down. There's an area where you can sit down and relax and maybe have a drink or eat food. Okay, and then in the next photo, if we go to the next photo, so this is a shopping mall. So you can shop at the shopping mall. There's lots of shopping malls in Bangkok. There's probably hundreds of shopping malls, and as you can see, there's an Apple store. You have this mall. You can buy cars. So there's a Porsche store. There's lots of different stores for shopping. It's a very, very nice mall. And as you can see, there's lots of people shopping at the mall. Very, very nice, I like. And then in the next photo, we have a park. So this is a very nice park. It's very nice to relax at the park and sit next to the water. Okay, so there's lots of people relaxing and sitting next to the water. We also have flowers, so we have nice flowers here. And then in the distance, there's lots of trees and we have some buildings. It's a nice day, a very nice day. We see some clouds in the sky, but most of the sky is blue and it's very, very nice, very good. Okay, and the next photo. This is something very, very interesting. So this is a water monitor lizard. So in Bangkok, they have water monitor lizards, which you sometimes see swimming in the water. Okay, so if I zoom in, you can see it's very big, very large, very big. The lizard is very, very big and it's swimming in the water. And in the distance, we have some trees and also some buildings, some very large buildings. And the next photo is of the train station. So this is where you can go into the train and take the train around the city. It's very good because if you use the train, you don't get stuck in traffic. If you go in the car or by motorcycle, you can get stuck in traffic because it's a very large city and very busy. And the next one. So this is a bar. So here you can drink, you can eat food and listen to live music. So there was a band at the bar and they were playing live music. It was very, very fun, very good. Okay, so at the bar, you can see here, so people have a beer, they have some food, and they are relaxing and listening to live music. And this one here, there's also a band, so there's also live music, and people are sitting down, listening to the live music, and they have a very beautiful view of, so they have a beautiful view of the water in the background. And if I zoom in, there's also fountains. Very, very nice, very beautiful. So in this picture, we can see we have flowers. So we have purple flowers, pink flowers. There's like a gray kind of color flower. Very, very nice, very beautiful, the flowers. There's bushes. Okay, so these are bushes. So there's one bush, two bushes, three bushes, and we have trees. So there's trees, and then if I zoom in, we have a boat and some water. So we have water, a boat on the water, and then we have flowers, bushes, and trees. It's a very nice day and a very nice place to go if you want to relax. And the last picture, so this is in the city, and if I zoom in, you can see there's a bridge, there's people walking across the bridge, and in the background there's lots of buildings. So there's lots of buildings and people walking along the bridge at nighttime. So it's dark, it's nighttime. Okay, so yeah, this is Bangkok. It's a very, very beautiful city, lots of things to do. They have lots of shopping malls, parks, cafes, restaurants, museums, art galleries. There's lots and lots of different things to do in Bangkok. I would highly recommend visiting there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the next video I will talk about a different place. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe and comment on the video to let me know what you think of Bangkok. Okay, so enjoy your day and I'll see you soon for a new video. Goodbye.